Hey, hey, how are you? How's Dave?
Good. Well, he's coughing like he's hooting. He's got that
Yeah.
following up the COVID, which we had a couple
Like,
of weeks.
so it's been about 2.5 weeks. Is that what it's been?
Yeah, and we're both pretty good. It's just
Okay.
that he's
Good,
got
good, good.
it's his default when he's
Yeah.
healing.
Yeah, yeah.
Um, so, I mean, if you have any thoughts on that, though, that's not why I called you.
Well, coughing, and it's not producing any mucus, right? It's just
I
like
don't think so.
no. So this is what I do. I mean, there's some oils that we could throw at it, but um, th- remind me, does he have any history of like asthma or anything like that?
No, but ever since, gosh, for the last 50 some odd years that I've known him, around this time of year, he starts getting this bark. And sometimes it's better, sometimes it's worse, but definitely the COVID tripped it.
So it sounds like more of a chest cough rather than a throat cough.
To me, it sounds like hooting. I mean, it's not all the time, and he does very well
Oh,
with the eucalyptus radiata and sticking his
mhm.
head in steam with
Yeah.
that. That really helps him.
Okay. Let me look something up here real quick.
See, and I don't know if there are allergies involved because I know for myself, I can't tell the difference anymore whether it's the cough from COVID or allergies.
Um, when he gets like this, is there like kind of a different odor that comes out of his mouth?
I don't know.
Okay.
Do I want to know?
Well, you would usually see it more with like bronchitis, like a weird or foul odor will come out, but he's having some of the symptoms, and so this is what I would probably do is do you have Naoli?
Yeah.
Like it's like in the tea tree family, not neroli, Naoli, right?
Yes.
I would put like 6 8 drops on in with like a little lotion or massage oil and rub it on his high chest and even up on his throat and have him inhale it a little bit and see if that reduces that. Um, did he ever have whooping cough when he was young?
No, he did not.
Huh.
Do you see? Can you
It's
see?
got a little whooping cough like vibe to me.
Yeah, that's what that's
Yeah.
what, but he does it. I mean, it's like over and over and over again every
Yeah.
year.
So let's try the Naoli. And then if that doesn't work, we'll send you there's this one oil. I don't even think we have it on the site, but I'll just send you like you don't need very much, just like a few drops. But it's called asafoetida, and it's very clearing to the lung tissue itself. And there's not a lot of times you would use it. It's a strong smell and it smells like onions. I mean, it is like it's not a pleasant like this smells delicious. It smells a little weird, but
Mhm.
he could inhale it or even take a drop or two of it internally, and it probably would only be like a couple applications. Um, uh, I would probably go that, you know, just because it sounds a little whooping cough ish,
Mhm.
and like you said, like there's a difference between a cough and like when they start to
Mhm.
get that like kind of chest like bark, you know what I
Yes, yes,
mean?
a hoot.
And
Yeah.
um, that something's up there, but he's had that all his whole life, huh? He said that.
has. And it takes him
Yeah.
a long, long time to heal each time.
Yeah. I think we may just get you some of that asafoetida.
Yeah, I'm gonna put an order in tonight. So you say it's not on the site?
Yeah, we'll get it out to you. No worries. So,
Thank you.
okay. Yeah, let's make a note of that so we can get her.
I have a
When you
theory.
open it and smell it, remember that you like me because it is a gnarly smell. Remind Dave that he likes me.